Yulia Navalnaya is accusing Russian President Vladimir Putin of killing her husband. Alexei Navalny
The civil authorities have issued a required weekly test for all of Connecticut, all of District of Columbia, all of Delaware, all of Florida, all of Georgia, all of Indiana, all of Kentucky, all of Massachusetts, all of Maryland, all of Maine, all of Michigan, all of North Carolina, all of New Hampshire, all of New Jersey, all of New York, all of Ohio, all of Pennsylvania, all of Rhode Island, all of South Carolina, all of Virginia, all of Vermont, and all of West Virginia beginning at 11:01 a.m. and ending at 12:01 p.m. Test message EAS open cap EAS feed configuration test message.
Months to produce their non.
Nam Dương cảm ơn quý thính giả vẫn đang giữ làn sóng.
The civil authorities have issued a required weekly test for all of Alabama, all of Arkansas, all of Iowa, all of Illinois, all of Kansas, all of Louisiana, all of Minnesota, all of Missouri, all of Mississippi, all of North Dakota, all of Nebraska, all of Oklahoma, all of South Dakota, all of Tennessee, all of Texas, and all of Wisconsin beginning at 11 a.m. and ending at 12 p.m. Test message EAS open cap EAS feed configuration test message. Test message EAS open cap EAS feed configuration test message.
The story.
House Speaker Mike Johnson.
The Republican-led House will not be jammed or
The civil authorities have issued a required weekly test for all of Arizona, all of Colorado, all of Idaho, all of Montana, all of New Mexico, all of Utah, and all of Wyoming beginning at 11 a.m. and ending at 12 p.m. Test message EAS open cap EAS feed configuration test message. 11 a.m. and ending at 12 p.m. Test message EAS open cap EAS feed configuration test message. The civil authorities have issued a required weekly test for all of Arizona, all of Colorado, all of Idaho, all of Montana, all of New Mexico, all of Utah, and all of Wyoming beginning at 11 a.m. and ending at 12 p.m. Test message EAS open cap EAS feed configuration test message.